Hi everybody, this is Kathleen. And today I want to talk a little bit about the overtime provision of the Fair Labor Standards Act of 1938, or the FLSA, which is a major employment law statute in this country, and it governs and mandates certain pay policies upon employers. According to the FLSA, employees who are designated as hourly or non-exempt status must be paid a minimum wage and receive overtime pay for all hours worked over 40 in a designated work week. Now, there's certain exceptions to this rule. There are some situations, very, very few exceptions, where it is legal to pay less than the minimum wage. But for most employees who are non-exempt status, they're going to receive at least the current minimum wage under the FLSA, which is $7.25 per hour. Certain states have their own minimum wage laws, which may mandate payment over and above that $7.25 figure. However, pursuant to the FLSA, that's what the minimum wage is in this country at this time. So any employee who is designated as non-exempt, meaning they're paid hourly, who works more than 40 hours in a designated work week must be paid time and a half pursuant to the FLSA. How does this work? Let's say that the employee in question is a landscaper, and he or she receives $8 per hour in pay. The employer requires that employee to work 45 hours in the designated work week, and it's the employer who designates what the work week is. The work week can be any combination, Monday through Friday, it could be Tuesday through Saturday, it could be Wednesday through the following Tuesday. And if that employee works over 40 hours during that designated work week, he or she must be paid time and a half for any hours worked over 40. So the employee is paid, as I've said, $8 an hour, and they work 5 hours of overtime. 40 hours must be paid at $8 per hour, and the remaining 5 must be paid at $12 per hour. Now, there may be other provisions. There may be a labor union. There may be a contract that mandates certain other things, or the payment of certain other provisions to the employee. So be sure to consult with, if you are a member of a labor union, with your union representative if you have any questions regarding your pay. Otherwise, speak to a member of your human resources department or payroll department. And if you have questions, you can also go to the Department of Labor. The U.S. Department of Labor enforces the FLSA and interprets it. And there's a lot of educational material that they provide, and they can address any questions that you might have. So go to their website for further information, www.dol.gov. This is Kathleen. Thank you very much for watching and listening.